In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check penalty points on driving license in the UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to check any penalty points attached to your driving license in the UK. To do this, you will be able to check your penalty points by visiting the government's official website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.gov.uk. In here, you will be able to browse through various different options. What you have to do is go over to the driving license page. The best way to do this is just to search for driving license. You will be able to get a bunch of results, and usually you just access this first one here. Now, when you choose this option, you will be able to browse through various options once again, and then I recommend going over to view or share your driving license information. When you choose this, you will be able to sign in to see any penalty points that have been applied. So as you can see, use this service to view your driving record, for example, vehicles you can drive, and then most importantly, check your penalty points or disqualifications. There's also the option to create a license check code to share your driving record with someone, but the focus of this video is going to be the second option here. So you will be able to use this specific service. Now, all that you have to do is select Start Now. Once you choose Start Now, you will be redirected to this page, and then you can set up your information. If you already have an account, just make sure that you sign into it. And once you go over to this service here, you will be able to see all of the penalty points attached. Sadly, this isn't something that I'll be able to show you on screen because it contains sensitive information. But once you are verified through this page and you include all of the necessary details, you will be able to view your driving record, including any penalty points, disqualifications, and other endorsements. So all that you have to do is visit www.gov.uk, go over to this page, and sign in with your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to check penalty points on Driving License UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.